Hey everybody, my name's Sebastian Wallach. I'm a freshman studying mechanical engineering, and today we're going to go over how to change a flat on your bike. First things first, you're going to need a few different tools. So you're definitely going to need a bike pump, you're going to need a tire lever, and then you're going to need a tube that fits the wheel of the tire that you're changing. So we're going to want to flip over the bike and get ready to take off the back tire, because that's the one that's flat on this bike. Now we're going to use the quick release to take the back tire off. So first, you're going to want to pull out the lever back here, unscrew a couple turns till it is loose, and then lift the tire out of the drop pads. Now that we have the tire off of our bike, we're going to use the tire lever to get the tire off. So first, we're going to take the edge of the tire lever and place it under the bead of the tire. Then we're going to twist around the rim so that the tire starts coming off. Now that we've gotten one side of the tire completely off of the wheel, we're going to want to take out the old tube. Now that we have the old tube out of the wheel, we're going to want to put in a new tube. Start at the valve. You're going to want to find the hole in the rim corresponding to where the valve goes. Place that in there, and then start placing the new tube under the tire all the way around. Once the tube is in the tire, you're going to want to put the edge of the tire back into the wheel. Starting in one spot, tuck the edge under the rim and make sure not to pinch the tube. Now that you have just a little bit of tire not tucked into the rim, you can use your tire lever to get the last bit seated. Now that you've got your tube back into the tire, you're ready to blow it up. Take your pump, set it up, and start pumping it up. You should make sure to pump your tire up to the PSI value that it says somewhere on the sidewall of your tire. Now that we've got our tire all set, we're going to put it back in the bike. Finally, your bike is all set to go. Enjoy your ride and be safe out there.